Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at this little animatronic that I bought yesterday. I'm actually kind of excited about this because I had in the back of my mind for my Headless Horseman themed living room that I'm doing this year that I needed some sort of musical instrument because if you know the story of the Legend of Sleepy Hollow, Ichabod Crane is a music teacher, and I figured I needed some representation of him as opposed to just being so Headless Horseman themed. And I actually have seen this in previous years, and I think I had it in the back of my mind that it would be maybe what I was going to go for. And when I saw it at Ross, I knew it was serendipity. I needed to get it, and I did. It was $16.99. I don't know how much they retail for in the stores. I've seen it here and there, so hopefully it's a good deal. I bought it. Hopefully it works. We're going to take a look at it now. Now, just looking at the box, it says it's animated haunted skull violin, and it is only 1.18 feet tall. Skeleton hand plays the violin, and the eyes light up. It is a Gemmy product. Does come with batteries, 3 AA batteries, and it says rotates hand with bow counterclockwise. Skeleton hand plays the violin, and eyes light up. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm hoping this works. I've never bought an animatronic from Ross before. For those of you who aren't familiar with Ross, it's kind of hit or miss. It's deeply discounted, kind of. I'm hesitant to say like a junk store, but you can find lots of interesting little items. Let's just leave it at that. But you never know what you're going to find. That's what I should say. You never know what you're going to find at Ross. So here is our little animated violin. It looks pretty cute offhand. Let's see what the instructions say here. Do we really need instructions? Probably not. I have my screwdriver to pop open the battery compartment. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. It has the 3 AA batteries already in there, which makes me a little nervous that it might be dead, but I guess we could have tried it. Didn't even think of just trying it. Let's see, what are the switches on the back? We have off and sensor, and there's some sort of, a little stand so we can make it stand up. It looks like it does a pretty good job standing up by itself, but I suspect once that little hand gets going, you are gonna maybe need that little stand. I kind of wish it would sit a little bit more upright. But let's go ahead and see what happens when I click it to sensor. All right, here we go. Well, that was a very nice piece of music, and the eyes lit up, but what the heck? The hand did not move at all. Oh no, it's gonna go through its whole thing again. I was about to get kind of upset that my product wasn't going to work and it was just going to end up being a static figure in my display, but I read some of the reviews. A lot of people have this problem and they didn't know what to do. You actually have to turn the hand sideways to get it to move, and it sticks pretty hard. So I think I finally got it loosened up a little bit where it will actually turn over. I did unscrew it from the back. Maybe I had to I loosened it. I don't know if that's what you had to do. There is nothing in the instructions that explains that. But I think now that it's sideways, it's going to play. And the other thing that we can do with the sensor function off is to just press the little skull on the bottom, and that's going to make it work. we go. It works. I do like it. I'm kind of excited by it. I did notice that they are selling this on Amazon for $37. I don't know what you can get it in the stores for, but I guess that means hopefully I did get a good deal. Only thing I kind of wish is that after it finished, that arm would rotate back up, just because I kind of like that look a little bit better if it's just sitting there. But that's it. That's the Haunted Animated Skull Violin from Gemmy. Let me know what you think. In the meantime, I'm going to go put it in my Halloween display, already in progress. So stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some walkthroughs of my display soon, and hopefully review a few more of these products as we get closer to Halloween. So until then, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Happy haunting.